Hey you guys, I picked up Ryuna Maria and I went in their house. Like, I saw her like sobrang Latina sa baba, Eva. Tangina talaga, sarap.
Para sa'yo, hindi ako papasok.
Hindi ka papasok bukas?
Depende.
Sobrang nose line. Walang mana ka talaga sa
Ang OA mo.
Grantic, ululti. Nung grade 10, ayaw mong pa-makeup.
Ay ngayon, iba na ngayon eh.
Sobrang nose line.
Oh, hindi natural yan, gago.
Super racial.
Oh. Wait lang ganyan.
Oh! Kagwapa ba? Ay, ang ina mo, pangit mo. So, ayun guys, I pick up Meme because I need her help. And she's so makapal yung mukha because pinabitbit ba naman yung bag niya sa akin. Ang bigat-bigat, kala mo ba ito yung laman?
Mo.
Paano kung maano yung arms ko? Ulit makeup mo, ano ka, magsa-service?
Gago, makeup lang yan. Tapos, ba't ang bigat nga? Eh kasi meron pa yung plancha. Gago, ba't may plancha dyan?
Ito na bang heaven? Ito na bang heaven?
Oh, heaven, you're running.
Huwag na kumanta. Huwag na talagang kumanta. What?
It's just a joke, ma'am.
Ayun o, doon yung office namin.
Kasi papi, video ng video eh.
Chuf papi! So guys, this is it. I hope she can do it because, you know, I can't do it. That's why I call for help because I haven't attended my class for a few days or weeks. And I'm struggling about that paperwork because I have no idea.
Me too.
I don't know how to do it, how to fix it, everything that you're given to your mom.
I give it to your father and then to your wolf.
Where's Ryzen kaya? Yung
He said that he's going to attend me.
the mix-ups isn't picking up. Ano daw?
Can you shut?
I'm harmed.
Kailan pa? Hindi na ito bagong buhay na kasi ako matod. Ano ang cute na naman?
Ito my YouTube followers. I already did my eyebrows because May did my business proposal and it's done na.
Fair, just one.
May wanted to smoke, Ate Michelle. I'm doing this video right now to prevent her addiction from being a smoker girl.
No, I'm
Smoke girl!
just I'm gonna stop there sa tindahan, no?
Oh, what the fuck? You should buy me also. We're buddies. Smoke buddies. There's no good buddy. Nobody. And we're going to Baga Burger right now at Leah. So right now we're here at the Meralco Road. What the fuck? Smoke then? Fuck! What the fuck? I cannot, girl. I have story to you. May is storying right now. She is making she's cutting herself. Like, what the cut?
That's my
Manalisim.
copy mechanism.
Hala ko manalisim eh. Oh my god. What are you doing to yourself? Are you making yourself dead?
Yeah.
Are you dead in yourself?
You know the special taste.
Oh, that's
Grabe
mine.
naman. Okay. Grabe.
Like me, like him.
Well, mga tauhan. Ganun pa rin ako. Basta hindi siya nakakaganon lang, masaktan ka lang gano'n.
You're crazy.
Pakaramdam ko. Tapos habang tinitignan ko siya, gusto ko damihan.
What do you think? It's anxiety or it's depression?
I don't know.
It's anxiety.
Why?
Because if you still know about things, you're just stressing out and you don't know what to do. If you're depressed, you don't know everything. you know, you're empty, you're zero, you're drained, like that. I actually
I'm
did.
brain out.
Yeah,
Brain out tuloy, Bobo. Brain out.
I did seminar about mental health Kinimberloo,
Eh, wala
and
na.
I know how to manage my stress. It's okay to cry. Don't cry, don't cry. Like,
Wala namang magagawa yung iyak ko. Hindi naman ako ano.
oh, alam mo pala yung sagot eh. Parang ito, sagot na siya.
Tapos,
Ikaw ang sagot.
ano te?
What?
Tumahan na ako after 1 hour.
Uh-huh.
Ayoko magsimba kasi kasit ko yung mata ko.
So that's Sunday.
Yung Sunday na yun. Kasi yung Saturday na sa Santa Maria ko. Ano ba naman yan?
Episode to episode.
Ayoko niyan. Itigil na yan.
Kailangan narinig sa mic.
Sana manakaw.
Makabalik niya pa sa akin to. No. Push na ako.
Yun na.
Push na ako.
Yun ako, yun eh.
Sino yun?
Na.
Do you want?
No, nothing. Just drink, chug,
No, you said you want smoke.
I have been
Then you're fucker.